welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a great day, and if not, I hope this makes your day a little bit better. If you are new here, my name is Jules and I'm so excited that you found my channel, and it would mean the world to me if you subscribed and stuck around a little bit longer. Now, before I start the video, I would love to shout out Full Shine Hair Extensions and thank them for sponsoring this video. Full Shine sent over a box of their Weft hair extensions, and I already have them in my hair because I love them so much. But in this video, I will show you how I install my own hair extensions and all the preparation that I do in order to keep my hair extensions looking better for longer. And of course, I will have everything linked in the description below this video. So let's go ahead and get started. So Full Shine Hair Extensions are a 100% human hair extension company, and you can either get weft, tape-ins, or clip-ins from Full Shine. And I do my own hand-tied extensions, so I got the weft extensions. Now, I already have the hair extensions in my hair because I love them so much, but once you place your order and receive it, they will come in a box like this, and inside the box will be obviously your hair extensions as well as a care card teaching you how to care for your extensions properly. So now that you have all the details about the hair extensions, I'm going to show you how I prep the hair extensions themselves as well as my natural hair and install my extensions.
Okay, good morning. Welcome to my bathroom and this super rare picture of me without makeup on. Let's get started. Okay, so I obviously have hair extensions in, so I'm going to walk you through how to take them out, which is the first step.
Okay, first you want to brush your hair out completely and make sure there are no tangles in your hair. And then the second step, you want to go ahead and part your natural hair out of the way. And then you want to go ahead and part your extensions on top of that as well. And once your hair is up and out of the way, you can go ahead and take down that first bead as well as your needle nose pliers, pinch the bead. It may take a few tries to get the bead exactly pinched where it needs to be, but once you get it, you can easily just slide it out of your hair. And then you want to repeat that process all over your head till all the beads are completely out of your hair. And once all the beads are out of your hair, you can begin to slide the extensions gently out of your hair. You might have a bead or two stuck in your hair still, and that's okay. I had one here. Just go ahead and take your needle nose pliers and pinch those beads out, and then the rest of your hair should fall out pretty easily after that.
So as you can see, the extensions are all out of my hair. This is my natural hair without any extensions in it. So the next step is to wash and dry our natural hair as well as our extension. Also, sorry for the little background noise. If you would like to see the background noise, I will show it to you. This is the cause for all the background noise this morning. I deeply apologize. For obvious reasons, I cannot take you into the shower with me, but I will show you exactly what I use and walk you through each and every step that I take to make sure that my hair and the extensions are the best possible quality for the next month or so that I have them in my head.
Okay, so first you want to obviously wash your hair extensions, so just make sure you get them very wet, even the root. Then you want to take a cleansing shampoo and shampoo your hair and the extensions really well. And then you want to rinse the shampoo out. You don't want any shampoo left over in your hair extensions. And then you want to detangle your extensions. This is super important. After you detangle, you want to use a leave-in conditioner like Olaplex or this Bondplex treatment that I have. And I also always use a mask as well as a hair oil in my hair extensions. And after you let that set for about 10 minutes, you want to rinse all of those products out. And then I go in and shampoo it one more time as well as condition the hair. And then you want to rinse, rinse, rinse again.
Okay, so I am out of the shower. My hair is nice and washed and conditioned and masked up and everything. So now I'm going to show you what I do to prepare my hair to put the extensions in.
And then I go in with this Bond Restore styling cream, and I just put a small drop in my hands and work it really well all throughout my hair. And then I also go in with a hair oil and I do the exact same thing, making sure it's mixed really well in my hair. And then once it's mixed in, I just let my hair air dry for an hour or two before I blow dry it. Okay, so I forgot to record myself blow drying my hair, but here I am just parting my hair to make sure I get a good line for the hair extensions to go in. And my husband helps just to make sure everything is straight. Okay, for the sake of time, I had my husband help sew the hair extensions in. So what he's doing right now is he is putting the hair extension beads on the bead threader, and you can find all this on Amazon. So he is just putting the beads on the hair threader. And then you want to go ahead and line your hair extensions up with your parted hair, and go ahead and mark where that hair extension starts and stops so you know where to place the first and the last bead. And next you want to take a very small section of hair, about 1/4 of an inch thick, with your rat tail comb and loop it through the hair threader with the beads attached to it. And then you will take a bead and slide it up the hair threader and place it about 1/4 inch off the top of the head, and then you will clamp it down with some needle nose pliers. And you want to repeat that all the way around the head as well. And then you want to take the hair extensions and pin them to your natural hair and start sewing. You want to sew from the top of the extension weft down behind the bead.
Hair, and then pull the thread up to tighten. Then you go back for the second stitch, you go back towards the front of the hair, away from the direction you're going to be sewing. And then put the thread through the loop.
When you get to the last part of the weft, you want to make sure that the string is sewn in very, very tight, and you also want to make sure that you double knot it before cutting the string at the end, just to make sure that that weft is secure in your hair.
Product after they've been sewn into my hair and curled. Like I said, I love these extensions so much. They're so soft, they're so shiny. They are really just, they make me feel beautiful. And one of the best things about Full Shine is they're on Amazon. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so fun to show you exactly how I installed my own hair extensions, and let me know in the comments if you're gonna try it. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.